What is up, guys? Welcome back, and today we're doing another FlowAR video, or the app of the month video, because today is a day where I wanted to make videos. Yeah, why not? What we're going to do is we're going to add a text function that's just going to create our text for our app. So once we tap, we actually have something that it's going to label in the AR space, and we're also going to have a little node that will reference where that reference is, where it thinks that wherever I tapped really. Is going to put that little node, and then it's going to display some text. But yeah, let's get right into it. Do some sick transitions or something. Ready, set, go.
Okay, enough of the tacky little intros. Let's get into some code. Let's do some stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using the display predictions and the create text functions. Display predictions is just going to display whatever the create text says really, and put it into our AR scene. So what you guys just watched is me struggling to build a material for my sphere that I'm going to create. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and create a geometry for our node. It's going to be a SCN sphere with a radius, so then we can just slot it straight into our sphere node. After we've created the sphere geometry, we're going to go ahead and add the materials, and then we're going to add that to the sphere node. After we've done that, let's go ahead and build a text geometry, which will then, yes, be added to a text node. The text node will be placed in the scene, not the text geometry. Text geometry are just the settings for the text node, really. So some of the stuff we've done is we've aligned the text, we've added the specular to our contents of .ui white, which is for the lighting, makes lighting look a little bit better. And we made it double-sided, so then you can see the text on both sides. So it's not just a one-sided text, it's actually 3D. Because we're creating a 3D text here, we have the ability to change what font is used for this 3D text. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do here. Don't want some default font. We're just going to spice it up a little, you know, just a little different, just a little zazz, a little zing, you know. Please tell me you know. After we've created all the font settings, we're going to go ahead and set up the text node. The text node is just going to be a SCN node, and it's going to take the geometry type of text geometry. So that way, the text node is a text geometry node, you know? Bonus! Yes, that's right, I'm bringing in a little bonus here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a billboard constraint. Yes, we are. So what that's going to do is constrain the node on the y-axis, which will make it always face the camera. So even if I'm walking around those little doodads, they're always going to be facing, the text is going to be facing towards the camera. After you've added your little bonus little tip there, make sure you add everything to the scene. This is good practice. Make sure that you do add everything to the scene, or else you'll be wondering, what's wrong? What's wrong with my app, Josh? Well, son, you haven't added everything to your scene. Yeah. Parent node.add child node, add the text node, add the sphere node, and then add the constraints, the billboard constraints, and then return the parent node. Now we're going to move on to display predictions. So let's go. In display predictions, all we really need to do is take our node, and then we need to position it using an SCN vector 3. We're going to use hitResult.worldTransform.columns.3, so 3 columns because we're using 3 dimensions here, boys. .x, and then we're going to do the same for Y and the same for Z. So at the top we have let node equal create text. Create text function actually returns an SCN node, so we can add that to the scene using sceneview.scene.rootNode.add child node, and we just put in node. Boom. This is just a little error that's coming up because I haven't built the thing, but yeah, practically done here. So we've got our register gestures, our tabbed, our perform vision, our pixel buffer, and this all feeds through each other. So then once you tap, it will spawn in a little node with a little bit of text. Boom. I tried building the project and I got hit with this bad boy of a little error here. So it doesn't have an entry point. Silly me. In the main.storyboard, I didn't set an entry point. Rookie error. Boom. Now we've got our app working. Let's see what it thinks this is. A stemless gentation. Well, let's try another one. Go up real close to it, let it load. Morning glory. Okay. I don't know what this FlowAR classification model's doing, but look at that text. Look at that setup. Damn, son. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all we have for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, y'all.